Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft is rolling out yet another new feature to one of their online web apps for Microsoft 365, and this time it's Excel for the web, which now lets you share links to sheet views. And according to Microsoft, this is due to user feedback, where this is a feature that's been requested, where they are now enabling you to share a link to a sheet view that captures a subset of a workbook's contents. And where they say this could be useful is to more efficiently collaborate on a large or complex workbooks and easily gather feedback and input from others. So if you are using Excel for the web, the online version, then you may find this video of interest. Now, how this is all going to work, and just to cut to the chase using a screenshot from that announcement, how this is all going to work, what you do is you click the View tab, Microsoft says, and then either click the Sheet View arrow and select an existing view in the list, or create a new sheet view. And in the sheet view, right-click any cell or the sheet tab that contains the content you want to share, and then select Copy Link to Sheet View, which is obviously found at the bottom of that right-click context menu, Copy Link to Sheet View. So that's basically how you do all of that. And they also say in the link to sheet message that appears, click the Close button, share the copied link with others in the way you want, example, in an email message, in a Teams chat, and so on, just to mention some examples, or keep and use it as a reference link. And this new feature is available for all Excel for the web users. So this announcement was made on the 5th of April, which was late last week. So by now, if you haven't been seeing this feature, you should be seeing this by this stage. So you can now share links to sheet views in Excel for the web. And this is just another new feature now that Microsoft has brought to their online version suite of apps. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.